Disaster! The 3 p.m. express has lost its brakes. Sparks fly as the emergency brakes fail. Who can possibly stop this massive metal monster? Fear not. This looks like a job for applied physics. Here it comes. Brace for the contact force.
Rule number 1. Forces can change the shape of an object.
Rule number 2. Friction opposes motion. Dig in those boots. Apologies to the train company, but we need maximum unbalanced force to stop this momentum.
And just like that, a state of motion becomes a state of rest. In that one single moment, many invisible forces were at war. Today, we are going to name every single one of them. Buckle up. Welcome to the class. A force is a push or a pull, measured in newtons. And this is my force meter. Forces change a state of rest. And they change the state of motion, speed, and direction.
And if it hits a wall, it changes shape. 5 effects mastered. Forces come in 2 flavors. Contact forces require physical touching,
like muscular, tension, friction, and elastic spring force. But non-contact forces work from a distance. Gravity, magnetism, and electrostatic forces don't need to touch you to wreck you. Why does friction happen? Look closer. Even smooth surfaces are secretly full of microscopic peaks and valleys. Static friction fights you when you are standing still. Kinetic friction fights you when you slide.
Want a cheat code? Add wheels. Rolling friction is much, much weaker.
In air or water, you face fluid drag. The only way to beat it? Get streamlined.
Pay attention. Mass is the amount of matter inside you, measured in kilograms. It never, ever changes. But weight? Weight is the pull of gravity, measured in newtons. Bring that exact same mass back to Earth, and our massive gravity crushes you.
Remember the ultimate formula. Weight equals mass times gravitational field strength.
Never forget, force is a vector. Direction matters. If forces are balanced,
You stay put. If they are unbalanced, you accelerate. Friction is a double-edged sword. It lets us brake safely, but it steals our energy as heat. Effects: classification, friction, and gravity, all locked in.
Let's recall what you've learned. Sci-Sensei out.
Class dismissed. Stay curious.